Hey, welcome to Muscle Car Garage. Today we have a 2009 Pontiac G8 Firehawk. This Firehawk is number 11 of the 2009 Firehawks. It has only 3,800 miles, one owner. The car is as good as it's going to be. This is the modern muscle. Dom, take a walk completely around so they can see how straight the car is. Car is never in an accident. One owner car. All original paint. This is what you call a modern muscle. This is a beautiful car, limited production car, and is being offered by Muscle Car Garage. So come and visit us at 7 Industrial Parkway in Livingston, New Jersey, from doors 12 to 17. Come check out our showroom. Thank you.